Since 2019, Race of the Chopper has been every year as an untouchable part of our summer. During these years, we have become more familiar with a lot of new people who have become great friends. We've burned a lot of tires together, taken a lot of sandy roads, and conquered a lot of peaks. But most importantly, in all these kilometers and races, we have found ourselves and peace within each other.
Re, kur vo paskaties, šitie ir brauc gatavojušies riktīgi, bet vo ar lāpām, ar beņķiem, viss tā kā nākās mums, kā mums patīk. No tā, čau, viss normāli. Šitais ir dīzeļa komandā iestāja. Visu gadu brauc ar dīzeļa mašīnu, bet pirmo reizi uzkāp uz moču un izšauj korķus. Tā gādās par...
Satrauca baltu dūmiņu, prasīt.
Nu stāsti, kā jums ir, jūs esat gatavi?
Gatavi, jā.
Es jau jakā staigāju jau otro stundu, jau es iesvītu. Pirmā pauze. Jo Lauris visu vasaru nav braucis ar mocu un aizmisis, kā rīkoties ar krāniņu. Ну, Гера. Оп. Так, где там что-то улетело там. И там дальше иди собирай вещи.
Almost forgot to say, the adventure begins for us before we get to the trip.
Got myself a Harley now, my days are all filled up. Riding around with all my friends and thinking that we're tough. They cost a lot of...
Visi tagad paskatieties uz Anģiņu vai brokastis, jā. Visi vīta kāfiju ir uzvārījuši ugunskurā.
When I first got my Harley, man, I tore that sucker down. I stripped it right down to the frame and I rode all over town. From shop to shop and marketplace, trying to find that perfect part. Sold my soul to rock and roll, but my Harley's got my heart. Some guys prefer to drink and drive from the backseat of a car. Some guys will take an Uber when they go out to the bar. Some guys will spend an hour each night just to walk their dog. And every time I leave my house, I take my Harley home. 'Cause now I got myself a Harley, and my days are all filled up. Riding around with all my friends and thinking that we're tough. They cost a lot of money, so I saved up my last dime. I got myself a Harley, and now I live to ride. Ride to live. My world's a little different now, and all I do is ride. When I get on that open road, man, I feel alive. 80 cubic inches just below my seat, and a pocket full of toothpicks to pick the bugs out of my teeth. I like to ride them naked, and I ride them fully dressed. I even like those bobbers, but the choppers are the best. You can keep your pickup truck, brother, you can keep your car. And I keep everything I own tied to my sissy bar. 'Cause now I got myself a Harley. My days are all filled up, riding around with all my friends and thinking that we're tough. They cost a lot of money, so I saved up my last dime. I got myself a Harley. Now I live the ride. I try to take it easy now as often as I can. I ain't got no cows and milk and I ain't made no plans. I ain't got no troubles, no worries and no time. 'Cause since I got this Harley, all I do is ride. I'm riding in the sunshine and I'm riding in the night. I'm riding when it's raining and I'll ride right out of sight. I'm thinking that I probably always could have been this way. There ain't no way.
Would it be a real ride without tearing off? This time, this squabble knocked down Rolanda's. This clutch said goodbye to us. But don't panic. We've got Lauris, who knows how to fix everything with a couple of zip ties, stone, and a lighter. After a couple of ice creams in the stomach, we went on.
Tagad mēs esam atbraukuši Kartadoru rullīti, un tagad mēs uztaisīsim iesildīšanās braucienu, un tālāk mums būs sacensības ar iebraucieniem ar kopēju startu, un mēs mēģināsim atrast ātrāko un veiklāko motociklu šodien. Un es domāju, ka mums tas izdosies. Tas ir pirmais posms, pirmā sacensības šodien. Kā es uztraucos. Nereāli. Jo visi jāizdara, visiem visu vajag. Varēja saskatīt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Iespaidīgi. Bija par ko pacīnīties. Spiedu uz papēžiem Anģiņš ar Virgisu man visu laiku. Viņi savā starpā vēl kodās. Kurš nobrauc otrais? Virgis vai Anģiņš? Neredzēja. Virgis, jā, bet viņi baigi visu laiku šitā. Tur vislielākā cīņa bija īstenībā finālā. Tā kā es uzvarēju, bet cīnījās Virgis ar Anģiņu. Anģiņš riktīgi koda papēžos Virgi.
Oi, pamierīgo, baigi pamierīgo. Labs grieziens,
Kurš tu palika beigās?
No priekšpēdējais, tajā mūsu versijā.
There's a fire burning deep down in my dreams. All I need is a pallet on your floor, friend, and enough gasoline. And I'll go give it another shot. Might not turn out like I thought, but I'll give it all I got. It's been a while since I've been out your way. I'll call you when I get to Salinas. I gotta take a little break. Lord knows I'm a mess. I can use a little rest and maybe get back to my best. I lost my best friend there at San Antonio, and I had to call his mama. It was the hardest thing I'd done. When I hung up that phone, started missing home and set out alone. And this road led me to here, and it'll take me away. And all I can do is pray. All I can do is pray that I'll make it back one day. Maybe one day I'll just buy me a little farm and grow me lots of tobacco, and I'll just sit around in my yard and think about all those nights underneath all those lights, and I'll go hold my baby tight. I couldn't tell you why I'm still on this road. Sure as hell ain't been easy. I never found a pot of gold. Maybe it's just what I do. Maybe I got something to prove. Maybe it's friends like you. And this road led me to here, and it'll take me.
А типа видео казалось так выглядит. Esam atbraukuši uz Mežeres, kur ir mūsu smukais kalns. Visi šodien nobijās. Un rītdien no rīta būs kā Epic Hill, rock'n'rolls mazā Epic Hill klims. Mēs mēģināsim uzraut. Te visi tagad baidās, visi baidās.
down with me too now. If they wanna make it on through, well, ain't no nothing you can do. Don't you do what you're trying to do? Back country now. Back country, yeah. Back country now. Hey, now. Going back down with me too now. Down home cooking on.
Tu viņiem visi patrenēsies un notiks rokenrols mazā Hilklims.
Back country now.
Engine started smoking, wings on fire. Big wheel started shaking and I lost her tie. My baby, she exploded drinking gasoline. Doggone that mean machine. We were going swell with a sure way from heaven. Well, I'm driving down the road in my Cadillac. Traffic lights nearby are all turning black. Drinking gasoline is all I do. Drinking gasoline to get over you. We were doing swell with a short way from heaven. Oh yeah, we were doing swell with a short way from heaven to hell.
My rhyme don't prove no crime. You can't chain up my rhyme, Lord, you can't chain no rhyme. Murder, bloody ass murder. When you love like her, when you love like her. Where I'm sure don't rest. My blood.
O, tieši. O, mums ir balvu sagā.
King of the Hills.
The Hills nomination.
Congratulations.
Between the thought and the deed, the sirens they call to carry you away. Between the beggar and his king, of which of these is free to give his heart away? That's the difference. That's why I've come. That's the difference. That's why I've come. Between her beauty and her rage, she's rattling the cage for attention and water. What we give and what we gave, from the master to the slave, which hell is getting hotter. That's the difference. That's why I've come.